and thank you,
I
Dr. Gitanjali, ma'am, for inviting me here. Yes, I learned past life regression from her, from Dr. Gitanjali. Initially, I just came to learn, but eventually, like now, it's almost 3.5 years. I have been working with her in the same modality. How past life learning help us? So, as she said, definitely we heal ourselves. Definitely, because we go through our own issues, and we, from that core issue, we go to the trance level, we go and we heal our own issues, and then we can see the shift in the current lifetime. If we ask ourselves कि अरे past life में जो है current life में है नहीं है, so yes, we do find the connection between the past life and the current life for definitely. When I learned from her in 2017, probably yes, 2017 mid, I learned from her. I just share one of my experience when I go through my past life during the learning process. That what I saw in my past life, like how I died. I died as 1.5 year old child, and my parents were a farmer, poor farmer. They could not feed me, and my mother somehow had just uh, hold me with my ankle. She had bind me with some stone कि बाढ़ आई है, बच्ची बह नहीं जाए. Something had happened with that, and my ankle was stuck, and like they both died, but like and I died eventually. But um, the ankle portion, I felt the pain in the current life, and today in this current lifetime my mother has those same ankle swellings what I was having in that lifetime. So we can definitely find ki what is the like connection between the past life and the current lifetime.
hmm.
With this past life learning and
Just wanted to
definitely
ask
going.
one thing. I'm interrupting you. Did your mother's swelling go away or become less?
Yes, eventually it has gone down, because that guilty feeling, that the store of that emotion was released in that current lifetime, and then eventually the swelling has gone out. So you can definitely, it may take like little longer time, but definitely it gives you healing.
As a therapist, what have you felt? You have must have done it on people.
Yeah, so as a therapist, I felt that people comes with a different psychosomatic issues. Now, as when the ma'am was talking about, I went through many questions here also, like diabetes, like skin problem, the BP problem. So everything, every issue in the current lifetime has the connection with the past life. So one of my client who had the diabetes, and where she was continuously feeling unloved in the last birth. It was
Hmm.
like throughout with many past lives. So I went through like 2 to 3 past life of hers, and where she was continuously feeling unloved, 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 and in the current lifetime she is suffering through the diabetes. So when we healed, it took several sessions. Definitely, it was not over in one session, but eventually the diabetes came to little normal levels. So I'm not saying that you have to close the medicine. You don't have to see the doctors. Definitely, you have to do, but the healing process, the past life definitely help you. जो एक लेवल पे था कि जहाँ पे किडनी फेलियर का लेवल आ जाता है, that we have not reached.
Okay.
So I have like multiple this
I
type of
remember an
clients.
interesting case of hers. She had worked on a client who was in the United States through some sessions. The client used to not had this vertigo issues. Riddhi worked on him and was distancing himself from the parents, from his family, just listening to bhajans. And Riddhi had done some 5, 7 sessions, uh,
Hmm.
some spiritual lifetime. She had just shared it with me, so I know. She keeps on talking,
Incredible.
keeps on sharing her things with me.
Thank you so much,
Wonderful.
Riddhi. That's really interesting, and how
Thank you so much.
fabulous that you're practicing it now, and you've got a whole wealth of experiences yourself now with PLR.
Yes, so
That's really
it
really.
definitely gives healing on relationship. It gives or like healing on health and finance as well. So like
Hmm.
all together, like kahin na kahin we get a shift.
That's great. Thank you so much, Riddhi. Thank you for sharing
Thank you
that
so much.
with us. Gitanjali,